You know, they say time flies when you're having fun. But did you know it also slows down when you're moving fast? Sounds like a joke, right? But in reality, it's a fundamental principle of Einstein's special theory of relativity. So buckle up for a mind-bending ride through the realms of space and time. Just remember, it's not the speed that kills you, it's the sudden stop. This is the world according to Einstein, where time and space are not as consistent as you'd think. Now imagine yourself on a spaceship, cruising at nearly the speed of light. According to your wristwatch, your favorite song lasts for 3 minutes, but for your friend back on Earth, that same tune might seem to drag on for ages. This is a phenomenon known as time dilation. It's not that your spaceship has a bad sound system, it's just that time itself acts differently depending on how fast you're moving. Now let's shift gears and talk about space. Einstein's theory also tells us that space isn't a fixed, unchanging stage where events play out. It's more like a flexible fabric that bends and stretches with the actors upon it. This concept is known as space contraction. So, if you're zipping through the cosmos at near light speed, distances that seem vast to stationary observers would appear much shorter to you. Still with me? Good. Now let's bring these two ideas together. According to Einstein, space and time are not separate entities, but rather they intertwine to form a four-dimensional structure called space-time. This is the stage upon which all of the universe's events play out. What does all this mean? Well, for one, it means that your perception of the universe depends on your state of motion. The faster you move, the slower time seems to pass for you, and the more space contracts. This is the essence of relativity. There is no absolute frame of reference. Everything is relative to the observer. So, the next time you're running late and wish you could slow down time, just remember, all you need is a spaceship that can travel close to the speed of light. But be careful not to hit the brakes too fast, or you might find yourself in a different time and place altogether. In the world of relativity, things are not as they seem. Time can slow, space can contract, and the universe becomes a strange and wonderful place. So while you might not be able to outrun time in your daily life, you can certainly have fun trying to wrap your mind around these mind-boggling concepts. So there you have it, a whirlwind tour of Einstein's special theory of relativity. It's a universe where time slows, space contracts, and nothing is as it seems. It may sound like science fiction, but rest assured, it's all based on solid scientific theory. And remember, in the words of the great Albert Einstein himself, the most incomprehensible thing about the universe is that it is comprehensible. So keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep marveling at the wonders of our universe. After all, who knows what other surprises it might have in store?